no more silence on the issue of violence. We need to develop and implement a comprehensive plan today, not tomorrow, not next week. That comprehensive plan must focus on proactive leadership, accountability, and restitution. The leadership would call for everybody that has to do anything with the lawlessness in the city of Philadelphia to get in the room. Police commissioner, mayor, president of city council, clergy, Department of Human Services, Department of Probation, Parole, and 4 community leaders, and some of these young people between 18 and 24 that is engaged in these acts of lawlessness throughout our community.